What up, guys, and welcome back to Herbs class for 5 more minutes of math. Now, we done spent a few videos talking about this systems of equations and how to solve them, right? So when you get to these elimination ones that are sometimes a little bit difficult to change and set up for elimination, I got a shortcut for you. Oh yeah, it's time for the hack. Oh yeah, let's get one up here and get right to it. Okay, here we go. So now this is not set up for elimination. If I add these together, nothing's going to drop out. A sign change won't help me. I can multiply by a number and then also do a sign change, but this hack is a whole lot easier than that. Now, the one thing to remember with this hack, it's got to be set up for elimination in standard form, yep, and the order in which you do things matter. Now for this hack, we only need the coefficients. Yep, those numbers right there. And remember, if there wasn't a coefficient, there's an imaginary 1 there. Yeah, that 1 is understood to be there. Man, let's get to it. We can solve for the x directly. Yeah, x equals. So when we're solving for x, we're going to cover up these x's. Yeah, and it's just as simple as this. The x value for the solution is 2 times 10, 20, minus 1 times 11. Yeah, yep, exactly. But that's just part 1. We need the denominator, and we're going to get the denominator like this. So for the denominator, I'm focused on these coefficients right here. And we're going to reverse it. So now it's 2 times 2, minus 1 times 1. Bang! Yes, and it's just that simple. Now you got to make sure you do that stuff in the proper order, right? For the top, 2 times 10 minus 1 times 11. And for the bottom, 2 times 2 minus 1 times 1. Yeah. Now, if you want to plug that back in to find the y, that's cool. But that's the old way. Let's find y also. Yeah. So for y's, we cover up the y's and we also reverse it. So it's 11 times 2, minus 1 times 10. Yes, exactly right. And the denominator is the same as before. Yeah, just that simple. Don't forget to write it the right way. And there's your solution. Okay, quick, right? Let's try one more. Okay, good. Let's show you this process one more time. Remember, when we focused on the coefficients. Okay, good. Now let's go through the process. Remember, bang, x equals, and I'm covering up the x's because that's what I'm solving for. So, -1 times 1, minus 5 times 2. Good. Now, for the denominator, and remember we switched it up this time. -4 times -1 is, minus 3 times 5. Good, that's exactly right. Now for the y's, and we're covering up the y's now, and we're going reverse again. -4 times 2, good, minus 3 times 1. Good, over the same denominator, and look at that, we got the same value for x and y. It happens. But that's still the solution. And if I were to graph those two lines, that's where they would cross. Hope that saves you some time, man. Thanks for coming to check us out. I'll see you next time. Oh, yeah.